Hey guys, it's Vaishali. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make this cute headband. This is a very simple, easy and inexpensive DIY. This headband has a wire inside it, so you can just wrap it around your head and then twist it together, and then it will create this beautiful bow. So this is going to be very easy DIY, and I'm sure everyone out there can easily make this. And the material that you are going to need are very few, and most of the material I'm sure will be available in your home. Also, you can style it with any of your cute dresses, and while you are doing your makeup you can wear this headband so it will properly tie your hair. I want to thank each one of my subscribers, as we are now family of more than 60,000. So thank you so much guys, and keep supporting. And for those who are new to this channel, you can consider subscribing, as you are going to see so many exciting DIYs on this channel. And you guys can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account to see the pictures related to my art project. And now let's get started and make this cute headband. So for this DIY you are going to need a fabric. You can choose any fabric of your choice. Fold the fabric double and then we'll do the measurement. Measurement is 15 by 4 inches. Here I'm taking 15-inch length just because the fabric is folded. So when you open the fabric you will get 30 inches long stripe. To make this headband you can use your old dupatta, bandana or maybe scarf. So anything, or maybe any t-shirt or something will also work. If you don't have this much long fabric, then you can join two stripes and make 30 inches long stripe. Now we'll cut the stripe. As you can see till now the cutting is really simple. And now what you need to do, you have this 30 inches long stripe and you need to fold it double this way. Now join these two ends, and then we need to cut a kind of angle from here like this. Now we need to stitch this tube, so fold it this way and then stitch it from here and all the way around till this point, and leave an opening so that we can flip this tube. So here is the open part and this is the closed side, and now we'll flip this tube. If you do not have sewing machine, you can simply stitch it by hands or use fabric glue as well. When you are done with flipping this tube, you can iron it. So here you are going to need a wire. You can use any wire. It should be moldable. First we are making a loop like this. For making this headband you need such wire just because when you wear the headband you get a bow kind of look, so this wire will hold that bow look. We are taking this extra wire because we are going to make another loop this side also. So you see this opening we kept, and now insert this wire through this opening. And now make a loop this side as well. So you're almost done. Just close this side as well, and then your headband is ready. So this headband is now completely done and it's good to go. You can wear this. So here I am showing how you can wear this headband. So just wrap the headband all around your head and then twist these ends, and it will look something like this, a kind of bow, or maybe you can just put it inside these ends, so it will give another look as well. I kind of love this headband. I hope you guys also like it. If you do so, then do let me know by your comments in comment section, and consider subscribing if you're new to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.